Beneficial loan benefit. Beneficial loan means when, okay, students, can anyone tell us what is the limit of a beneficial loan when it is treated as exempt? If the loan is equal to what amount? Okay, let's see. Great, it's 10,000. If in the entire tax year, beneficial loan amount is either less than or equal to £10,000, then it is an exempt benefit. I have another question. Can anyone please explain what do you mean by beneficial loan? Please quickly explain. What do you mean by beneficial loan? What is the meaning of beneficial loan? Interest, great. Either it is interest free, or if employer is charging the interest, then employer is charging the interest less than 2.25%. Why we are comparing with the 2.25%? Because official interest rate is 2.25%. So beneficial loan means one of the two options. Either it will be interest free, or in case of interest, the interest will be less than 2.25%. Okay, now, for example, Mr. Y provided his loan details. Let's say 31st May 2023. He took the loan first time. Amount of the loan is £8,000. 31st July 23. He took the loan £4,000. December 23. Loan amount is £5,000. Mr. Y is paying 1% interest to the employer. Obviously, you are paying 1%, which is less than official interest rate, so definitely it's a beneficial loan. Required. Calculate taxable benefit for the tax year 23-24. Now, student, please. We have to calculate by using both the methods, average method and accurate method. And obviously, whichever results in a lower taxable benefit, that will be opted. But you have to solve the question by using both the methods. Let us first go for accurate method. Another name for the accurate method is precise method. Please, tax year 23-24 means the tax year will start from 6th April 23, ends on 5th April 24. But first time the loan was provided to Mr. Y, the date is 31st May 23. So logically, there wasn't any loan on 6th April 23. It's okay. So we'll start the calculation from this date. Okay. Logically, first 2 months, there wasn't any loan. Means there wasn't any loan in the month of April, even in the month of May, because the loan came on 31st May. So I'll count the time period from 31st May onwards. If you just count the time period from 31st May onwards till 5th April 24, so total months are 10. If we count the time period from 31st May 23 till 5th April 24, so months are 10. Okay. The first loan was taken £8,000 on 31st May 23. The loan amount is 8,000. Just multiply this with the official interest rate. and just keep watching, please. And now let's see the time period. The first loan was taken on 31st May 23, and from 31st May 23 till 31st July 23, there's a gap of 2 months. From, if you count the time period from 31st May 23 till 31st July 23, so there's a gap of 2 months. It means 2 months, Y was having a loan of only 8,000. 2 by 12. Let me just use the calculator. 8,000 pound. Please, at least one more student should be using the calculator so that there shouldn't be any arithmetical error. Let me recheck. That's fine, 30. Now come back. Initially, Mr. Y was having a loan of 8. Then on 31st July 23, he took the further loan of 4. It means we can say on 31st July 23. On 31st July 23, the total loan amount is now 12,000. See, initially he had only 8. 31st July 23 is the date when he took another loan of 4,000 pounds. So obviously we will say that on 31st July 23, now the total loan is 12,000 into 2.25%. Now let's see how many months the loan was 12. Count the time period from 31st July till 31st December. The time period is 5 months. If we count the time period from 31st July 23 till 31st December 23, so gap is 5 months. So 5 months, Mr. Y was having a loan of 12,000. 12,000. I'm getting 112.5. Let me recheck. That's fine. Perfect. Now, on December 23, he took another loan of 5,000. Already, he was having 12. On December 23, he took another loan of 5. So, total loan becomes 17. So, we can say that on December 23, now the total loan has become 17,000. From December 23 till 5th April 24. From December 23 till 5th April 24, the time period, the gap is of 3 months. Because the tax year ends on 5th April 24, which means that now the loan amount is 17,000 into 2.25%, 3 by 12. Let's use the calculator. 17,000 to 25. Students, I'm getting 95.625. Let me recalculate. 17,000 . That's just fine. Now, if I add all of them, I'm getting 238.125. Now, please listen to me carefully. If Mr. Y was not paying any interest, assuming if the loan was interest free, then 238.125 we would have considered as a taxable benefit. So if interest was 0%, then entire 238.125 is your taxable benefit. But this is not the case. It is not happening here. How much interest Mr. Y is paying? 1%. Now let's simply deduct the payment. Now, some of the students, they do think, sir, if the official interest rate is 2.25 and Y pays 1%, so why we are not directly working on 1.25? You can directly work on 1.25 and you will reach on the same answer as well. But why I'm working like this, that first we have taken 2.25% and after that we are showing the payment. There's a reason for that. What is the reason? You need to wait for that, please. Then why I'm not directly working on 1.25? Less interest payment. Simply I'll take 8,000 into 1% and 2 by 12 because 2 months the loan was 8,000. Then it became 12 into 1%, 5 by 12 plus 17,000 into 1%, 3 by 12. So let me use the calculator. 8,000. Okay, I want at least one student to use the calculator. Please, at least one student should use the calculator. I'm getting 105.83, but I want, please, is it accurate, inaccurate, what it is, please? 238.125 minus 105.833. I'm getting a taxable benefit of 132.292, or you can say, okay, it's perfect. Or you can just write 132. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Students, you people want to know how did I calculate this? 105.833. I did write this, but I did not use this entire thing. What I did? 238.125. Actually, this is it represents 2.25%. Am I right? 238.125 is actually representing 2.25% and the payment is 1%. Logically, I did this 1 upon 2.25 and it gave me the same answer. Please, you can check. I'm paying 1%, so I multiply this with 1. I divided this with 2.25 because logically 238.125, when we were calculating, we were using 2.25%. Students, are we getting the same results? Yes or no? Yeah, it's just a shortcut and little bit of maths, and we love maths. Okay, now. Now we have to solve the same question by using average method. No, you can use the shortcut. You can use the shortcut. If you're good at shortcut, is 100% acceptable. 100%. Because we need taxable benefit. If you are accurate, go ahead. Give little surprise to the examiner as well by showing him a, I would say, technical shortcut. Definitely is going to appreciate that. So a normal student would not think like that. Okay. Average method. In average method, we'll take the opening loan. Opening loan is 8,000 plus closing loan. The closing loan is 17 divided by 2. Take opening loan plus closing loan divided by 2 into 2.25%. Then it comes n upon 12. Why n upon 12? Basically, opening loan was not there at the start of the tax year. Let me repeat, opening loan was not there at the start of the tax year. Actually, first time the loan came on 31st May 23. So from 31st May 23, if you count the time period till 5th April 24, so the time period is just 10 months. So what are we going to do? 10 upon 12. So let me use the calculator. 8,000 plus 17 divided by 2. I'm getting 234.375. Now, student, less interest payment. Interest payment will always be same in accurate method and average method. In fact, the interest payment comes from the accurate method. Interest paid. Just take directly 105 point. Interest payment will always be same in both the methods. I'm getting a taxable benefit of 128 point. Whichever is lower. So the taxable benefit, which will increase the employment income, that is 128.542. So by using, you have to use the average method, accurate method, whichever results in a lower taxable benefit, you will have to take that. So the taxable benefit is this. Let's say Mr. White took the loan on 6 April 23. It is 12,000. Question. So will they ask us to use? No, they don't do that. If they do, it's good for us. If examiner says just use one of the, if examiner specifically mentions the method, then I think things becomes easier. We will save the time. If examiner says use only accurate method, then I'll go for that. That's it. Nothing is mentioned, use both the methods. Okay. If it is mentioned, obviously, then whatever examiner says, we have to listen to him. Loan on 31st July 23, it is 4,000. Okay, G, Mr. Y is paying 1.25% required. Taxable benefit, tax year 23-24. Please, students, I want everyone to attempt this. I'm giving you around 5 minutes. Please, you have to use accurate method, average, and whichever results in a lower benefit, that will be considered. Please attempt this. Students, I'm waiting for the answer. Why there's no answer yet? Accurate method. First time the loan, we took the loan on 6 April 23. The amount of the loan is 12,000 into 2.25%. From 6 April till 31st July. So the entire month of April, entire month of May, June and July. Can I say 4 months? The gap is 4 months. Students are giving the answers. That's great. I'm getting 90. Then you took additional loan of 4,000 on 31st July. So the loan becomes 16. So 31st July 23, loan became 16,000 into 2.25% plus multiply by. How many months from 31st July till December? Can I say 5 months? So 16,000 into 225, 150. 5,000 he has paid. So the remaining loan is now 11,000. On December 23, the loan became 11. On December 23, the loan became 11 because he repaid 5,000. From December till 5th April 24, the time period is 3 months. So 11,000 to 2.25%. 11,000 into 2. Students, I'm getting 61.875. Let me recheck. Yes. Add 150 plus 90. 301.875. How much? Where did we count 3 by 12? Look at this, please. From December 23 till April 24, time period is 3 months. From December 23 till April 5th April 24, time period is 3 months. Is this clear now? How did I get this 3? Yes. Now less the payment. We'll be using a shortcut. Interest paid 301.875. Actually, it is representing 2.25. How much this person is paying? 1.25. I'm getting 167.7. So 134.175 or 134. 134 is simply your taxable benefit. Now we go for average method. I hope this shortcut will save your time as well. Take the opening loan. Opening loan is 12, closing is 11. 2.25%. Can I say this time? Logically, it is 12 upon 12. So there is no need to write 12 because 12 upon 12 means 1. Because the loan was there at the start of the tax year. So 12,000 plus 11 divided by 2. I'm getting 258.75 less the interest payment. Obviously, the interest payment is same in both the methods. 160. So I'm getting 91.05. So we'll take 91. Please student check everyone. Everyone is having the same result. So the taxable benefit is 91. So we'll go with average method. Am I right? But please listen, it does not mean that average method always results in a lower benefit. No, it's just a coincidence that we did two examples, two questions, and both of them average method has given us a lower result. But please, if it comes in exam, nothing is mentioned. You have to solve by using both the methods. After that, you will opt the method which gives you the lower taxable benefit. Is this clear to everyone? Students, please reply. Great. So we have done this beneficial loan benefit. Now, students, inshallah, in the next class, we'll start from the car benefit, and I would again repeat the request which I did at the start of the class, that I'm going to take few long live revision classes. So I just need one cooperation from you whenever I'm going to take that class. Before the, at least 2 to 3 days before the class, I will announce the timings, but I need you to cooperate with that timings. It is for your own benefits. Obviously, the recording will be there, but I want you to come and take the class online. So thank you very much. And in the next class, we'll start from the car benefits. Okay, students. Thank you very much.